Hey friends, so today we're talking about nailers. I have my pin nailer and that hooks up to the air compressor, which I'll talk about in a minute, and I've got my battery powered 18 gauge brad nailer by Ryobi, and this is a battery powered one. Now I also have one that hooks up to an air compressor that's 18 gauge. I'll show you a picture of all three of those in a minute. When to use which one. Now the pin nailer is these tiny nails. It's for like thinner pieces and more decorative pieces of trim that you're gonna put on things. Whereas the brad nailer is gonna be a heftier nail. So I'll show you what they look like once they're in a piece, and then I'll show you what the nails look like. So these both have similar construction. Most nailers do. They have the magazine, and that's what clips down where all the nails go. On the brad nailer, it's on the side. On this pin nailer, it's on the bottom. So just a quick tip with a brad nailer, and this is the same with the Ryobi one, it has a two-step safety feature where you can pull the trigger and nothing's coming out. You have to also press in the tip. This one, however, and it's not hooked up, but it doesn't have that, so it's just the trigger. So just know once you fire, it's gonna go. It does have a little lock so that you can lock it into place as well when you are in between using it. So since I have the air compressor out, I'm gonna use this 18 gauge brad nailer. The benefits of this pneumatic one are that it's much lighter weight, it's more compact because it doesn't have the battery, and it has a little bit more power than the other one. So this is my air compressor. This is the dial that you can set. For the brad nailer, I use it kind of 90 and a little above, but for the pin nailer, you only need it at about 60. So you want to hook up the hose to this, and then obviously this end hooks up to the nailer. This is your magazine, so that's where all of your nails will go. So this is the one that I probably use the most because I don't have to wait on an air compressor or anything, and I heard that they like redesigned it, so I'm excited to see what it looks like. So I know a ton of people use these nail guns, feel super comfortable with them, but please make sure you're taking proper safety measures. So that means eye protection, always, and closed-toed shoes. You do not want to have a flyaway nail poke you in the eye or hit you in the foot. Not to scare you, but this is the one tool, not the battery-powered one, but the one with the air compressor. I took a nail to my finger. It healed just fine and I was fine, but it was really painful. So I just want to make sure you guys are being safe, because this is the one tool that gets me really frustrated when I see all over Instagram people are air nailing barefoot, and it just makes me really scared. So please be safe.